Are you ready to discover the business trends of tomorrow? What if you could start a business in 2025 that's not just profitable, but also totally unique? Want to know which ideas will make you stand out from the crowd? Let's explore 7 unique business opportunities that promise to turn heads and earn profits in 2025. 1. Sell novelty t-shirts. Imagine starting your own business selling t-shirts that have cool and funny designs about things people love, like superheroes, yummy foods, or funny sayings. The novelty t-shirt market is booming and is expected to grow to a whopping $3.1 billion by 2025. This means there's a big chance for you to make good money by creating t-shirts that people can't wait to wear. You can focus on specific groups of people who love certain things like pop culture, food, or internet memes. This way, your t-shirts will really grab their attention and stand out. To get started, you can use services like Printify. They make it super easy to set up a store because they handle all the printing and shipping for you. All you need to do is come up with awesome designs and put them up for sale. You can also use online marketplaces like Etsy to sell your t-shirts to people all over the world. Many people who sell novelty t-shirts can earn between $2,000 and $4,500 every month. To boost your earnings, think about offering ways for customers to make their t-shirts personalized. This could be adding their name or a special date to your designs. Also, teaming up with popular influencers who can help promote your t-shirts is a smart move. Plus, always keep an eye on the latest trends and update your designs often so your store stays cool and relevant. 2. Offer virtual interior design services. Have you ever dreamed of decorating rooms and helping people make their homes look beautiful? Starting a virtual interior design business might be the perfect idea for you in 2025. This kind of business lets you work from anywhere because you do all the design work online. It's a great way to connect with clients all over the world without leaving your home. First things first, you'll need to show off your skills by creating a portfolio. This is a collection of designs you've done which can impress potential clients. Learning 3D design software, like AutoCAD or SketchUp, is also important because it allows you to make professional-looking room layouts and furniture arrangements that clients can see on their computers. Plus, setting up a professional-looking website can help attract more clients. Virtual interior designers can make good money, from $20,000 to over $100,000 a year, especially after they build a good reputation. To grow your business, you can offer different levels of service, from simple advice to complete room designs. Also, showing before and after pictures and sharing positive reviews from your clients can really help prove that you're great at what you do, attracting even more customers. 3. Teach online. Teaching online is a fantastic way to share what you know about anything, from math and science to playing guitar or speaking another language. You can teach academic subjects or fun hobbies. This business idea is awesome because you can work from anywhere and reach students all around the world. Plus, you get to set your own schedule, which gives you a lot of freedom. To start, you might use popular platforms like VIP Kid if you want to teach English or OutSchool for a variety of other subjects. These platforms help you find students and handle the payments. But if you want more control and possibly earn more money, you can set up your own teaching website. This way, you can offer the types of classes you want and manage everything the way you like. One tip to earn more as an online teacher is to offer group classes instead of just teaching one student at a time. Group classes mean you can earn money from several students at once. Building a good reputation is also key. Encourage your happy students to leave positive reviews or testimonials, which can help attract more students. Choosing the right platform that fits what you want to teach and offers good pay is also crucial for your success. 4. Freelance. Bookkeeping. Freelance bookkeeping is a great way to help small businesses keep track of their money, especially for those that don't need a full-time accountant. As a freelance bookkeeper, you can work from home and choose to help different kinds of businesses manage their finances. This includes tasks like keeping track of expenses, sending invoices, and preparing financial reports. To start as a freelance bookkeeper, it's a good idea to get certified. Certifications from programs like QuickBooks or Xero show that you know your stuff and make businesses trust you more. Specializing in a specific type of business, like restaurants or online shops, can also help you stand out and possibly charge higher rates because you understand the unique needs of those businesses. Using cloud-based accounting software is another important tip. These tools let you and your clients see financial information anytime and anywhere, which makes everything more efficient and helps you provide better service. With the right skills and tools, freelance bookkeepers can earn between $17 to $26 per hour, and sometimes even more, depending on their experience and the complexity of the tasks they handle. 5. Offer pet sitting services. If you love animals, offering pet sitting services could be the perfect business for you. More people are traveling and working long hours, which means they need someone trustworthy to take care of their pets while they're away. As a pet sitter, you can help by visiting pets at their homes to feed and play with them, or even by offering to have pets stay at your place overnight. A great way to start is by signing up with pet sitting platforms like Rover or Care.com. These platforms help connect you with pet owners looking for someone to take care of their furry friends. They also let you show off good reviews from people who have loved your service, which can help you get even more jobs. To make your service stand out, consider offering extra options like dog walking, grooming, or even taking pets to their vet appointments. Keeping pet owners happy and coming back is all about communication. Send them updates and cute pictures of their pets to reassure them that their beloved animals are happy and well cared for. This personal touch can make a big difference and help you build a loyal client base. Most pet sitters charge between $20 to $30 for short visits and more for overnight care, so there's a good opportunity to earn well while doing something you love. 6. Sell pottery and clay items. Do you enjoy making things with your hands? Selling pottery and clay items could be a great business idea for you. Handmade and artisanal products are becoming more and more popular, as people love buying unique items that aren't mass-produced. Pottery can include things like mugs, plates, vases, and decorative pieces, all made from clay by hand. The money you can make from selling pottery depends on how good your products are and how many you can make and sell. Some people who do this as a small business or even just as a hobby can earn between $50,000 and $200,000 a year. To reach these kinds of earnings, it's important to develop a unique style that makes your pottery stand out. Maybe you could create a special design or use colors that no one else uses. You can sell your pottery in different places to reach more customers. Online platforms like Etsy are great for reaching people all over the world. But don't forget about local craft fairs, farmers markets, and boutiques where people might fall in love with your work in person. Offering custom pieces can also help boost your sales, as customers will appreciate being able to order something made just for them. 7. Sell natural cosmetics. Are you passionate about beauty and health? Starting a business selling natural cosmetics could be a great idea for you. The natural cosmetics market is growing fast and is expected to be worth $54.5 billion by 2027. This shows that more and more people want products that are good for their skin and the environment. To succeed in this market, it's important to use high-quality, sustainable ingredients. Customers are looking for products that are organic, cruelty-free, and don't harm the planet. You should also think about creating a unique brand that stands out. This could mean offering products for specific skin types or concerns, like sensitive skin or anti-aging formulas. Social media and influencers are powerful tools for promoting your natural cosmetics. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are perfect for showing off the benefits of your products. Working with beauty influencers can help spread the word about your brand and attract more customers. By focusing on creating excellent products and using smart marketing strategies, you can build a successful natural cosmetics business that people will love and trust. Did you find these business ideas exciting? Which one are you thinking of starting in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new ideas and tips.